Blog Talk Radio.
This is a meditation for present moment peace. Find a place to sit or lie down where you can relax and feel present in the moment. Close your eyes. Take some deep breaths from the center of your being. Fill your shoulders and body. Start to relax and ground into your chair or your mat or the floor. Continue breathing deeply from your belly. Feel your mind begin to relax and let go. All that is present is the moment in front of you and your awareness of this moment. The next breath that you take, on the exhale, feel that breath travel all the way through your entire body and travel out to your fingertips and toes. And exhale and let go. With each deeper breath that you take, find yourself more and more grounded in the present moment. Feel your hips relax. Feel your feet relax and open. Feel your palms and fingers relax and open. Find yourself focusing solely on your breath as you inhale and exhale. Find your focus on your awareness of your breath with each inhale and exhale that you take. Find your breath starting to mimic the ocean breath. Inhale as the waves travel out to the sea, and exhale a bit longer and deeper as different waves travel back toward the shore and release onto the beach. Find your mind becoming one with the breath inside of you that you pull from all around you. Find your mind becoming one with your body. Find your mind and body as the same entity, breathing in each moment and focusing on peace. With your eyes continue to be closed and your body fully relaxed and open and present and grounded. Notice that you are sitting or lying on red soil, perhaps in the middle of a southwestern desert. Notice the red of the sand, the red of the ground. Keep breathing deeply from your belly and feel grounded on this earth and for your life. On your next inhale, feel your awareness travel from your seat up to your belly. Feel a warm yellow energy like the sun. Fill your belly with warmth and energy. Breathe this energy in, all the while feeling grounded where you are sitting or lying on your red soil. Feel your shoulders relax. Feel your mind relax completely and sync up with your breath and being. Take this newfound energy that you feel in your belly and let it rise up to your heart. Feel a warm pink or blue energy surround and fill and refill your heart with precious peace. Feel your awareness growing as you settle into the present moment and your ever-expanding heart. Fill your heart with trust and a peaceful knowing that you are grounded and present and have power in your life. On your next inhale, take a deep breath and let that energy of your heart rise into your throat. Feel a warm blue energy energize your throat chakra. Find your voice, all the while holding on to your grounded sense of peace and presence. Take one final inhale and feel that energy travel up through to your third eye. Feel a golden light fill your third eye. Allow that golden light to travel all the way up to the heavens and beyond. Inhale. Inhale in peace and exhale any worry and let it dissipate out into the ether. This has been a meditation for present moment peace. Wishing you a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.